Hello guys, welcome back to Edutainer. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Raspbian OS in your SD card. So before getting started, I would like to tell you that you should have at least, I'll prefer at least you should have the 16 GB SD card of class 10. You can also use the 8 GB SD card, but I'll prefer it. You should use the 16 GB class 10 SD card. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the Win32 disk imager. So you will need this Win32 disk imager to write the disk image file of Raspbian OS. That is the OS for the Raspberry Pi. You need to write the disk image file on your SD card, so that's why we need this Win32 disk imager. So just search for it and the search results will appear here. So click on the first one. It will redirect you to the download disk imager file. So you need to download the disk imager executive file. So just click on download, and so your download will start shortly here after 5 seconds. So just wait for it to be downloaded. So now, yeah, it's started. So I don't want to do that because I already installed this Win32 disk imager here, so I'm not going to install it. So you guys can simply download that file and run that usual running process. Just go follow the instruction and accept all the license and agreement and just install it on your OS. So not wasting much time, now you need to download the Raspberry Pi OS, that is Raspbian. So just type Raspbian OS, you can search for it, and now you can see here this is the official Raspberry Pi.org website. So just click on this search result and it will be redirect you to download section of the Raspbian. So here you can see there are 3 options over here. Yeah, you can download Raspbian Stretch with desktop and recommended software, Raspbian Stretch with desktop, Raspbian Stretch Lite. So this is the light version. It is of less size compared to the the full stretch version and this desktop Raspbian Stretch. So you can download the zip file by directly clicking on the download option, and you can, if you want to download it quickly, you can download a torrent. It will not take much time, it's much faster than this option. So just click on download. Because I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it. Just click on it, it will start downloading. So now I'm going to open this where I have downloaded this file. So just here you can see the softwares, and yes, here I have downloaded the Raspbian full stretch version. So just this is the zip file and you need to extract the disk image. So just extract here, so and wait for it to complete, and let this progress bar run. It will go to the 100%. Okay, now it's done. You can see over here, yeah, it's here the Raspbian full stretch full disk image file. Now we need to write this disk image file to our SD card, so that's why we need this Win32 disk imager. So just
open this Win32 disk imager, and you need to connect your SD card, as I already said in the beginning of the video. So just select the image file this by clicking this icon. So now go to your download section where you have downloaded the Raspbian OS. So I have downloaded it here. So just click on the disk image file. Yes, just click on it and click open. So here you can see the disk image file, and now we need to mount this disk image to our SD card. So I haven't connected the SD card with my laptop, so but you need. So further process is so simple. So you just need to connect the SD card to your laptop and select this disk image file. Here will show the SD card name. As I haven't connected this SD card, so here it's showing no device. So just connect your SD card and select the device and just click on the right option and wait for it to complete. The progress bar will go to the 100%, and so it's the very simple process. No need to worry about it. So that's how you can download the Raspbian OS, and you can install it on your Win32 disk imager. Using this Win32 disk imager, you can install it on your SD card. So guys, thank you, keep learning.